Let's start today's video with learning about some of the most incredible health advantages of combining baking soda with water and discovering how you can utilize it to enhance different areas of your health. Baking soda water and its health benefits. Number 1. It may assist in maintaining a regulated pH level. Our bodies function best in an environment that is slightly alkaline, with a pH of 7.35 to 7.45. However, when this equilibrium shifts toward acidity, inflammation can occur, and you may even be more susceptible to acquiring a number of chronic conditions. Baking soda creates an alkaline solution when added to water. This alkaline solution can assist in maintaining a pH level that is beneficial for your body. In addition to improving general health, keeping an alkaline pH lowers your chances of osteoporosis, kidney stones, and a host of other chronic illnesses. Baking soda water can work as a natural antacid if you are experiencing symptoms such as heartburn and gas due to acid reflux. Baking soda water neutralizes stomach acid, which makes you burp and belch a few times and releases trapped gas, which was most likely the source of your heartburn. Number 3. Our muscles require oxygen and glucose to contract and relax regularly when we exercise. However, during a vigorous workout, when the oxygen supply cannot keep up with the high demand for energy, pyruvates are produced. These pyruvates eventually allow your muscles to continue working in the absence of oxygen. However, when these pyruvates are converted into lactic acid, they cause burning sensations and occasionally cramping in your muscles. According to research, baking soda water has the ability to partially neutralize lactic acid, which may help to prevent or relieve muscle cramps and soreness. However, keep in mind that it's not a treatment for muscle soreness in the slightest, and consuming excessive amounts of it might result in nausea, upset stomach, electrolyte imbalances, and even elevated blood pressure. Number 4. It can aid in reducing inflammation in the body. Research indicates that acidosis, a condition in which the pH of the body is slightly higher than normal, can cause inflammation. Prolonged and chronic inflammation can result in a number of chronic diseases, such as arthritis, heart disease, and occasionally even cancer. By bringing this pH value back towards alkalinity, baking soda can help reduce inflammation and the risks that go along with it. Number 5. It may enhance the function of your kidneys. Kidney health depends on maintaining a proper acid-base balance, and the kidneys are essential for controlling the body's pH. An acidic pH can put additional strain on your kidneys as they work to filter out acidic substances in your blood. This increased strain has the potential to harm your kidneys and may also increase the risk of kidney stones. Baking soda water offers alkaline elements to counterbalance those acidic elements, keeping your blood pH within a healthy range and shielding your kidneys from possible harm. However, remember that baking soda is in no way a treatment for kidney stones or damaged kidneys. See your healthcare provider if you have concerns about the health of your kidneys. They can assist you in determining whether this course of action is appropriate for your requirements and medical circumstances. It can help you maintain better oral health. A lot of the foods we eat, especially acidic ones like coffee, tea, and fizzy beverages, can damage your tooth enamel and leave stains on it. Numerous sugary meals and beverages that leave sugar on your teeth encourage specific bacteria to grow there and form plaque, which in turn can lead to tooth damage, tooth discoloration, and foul breath. Baking soda can help with all of these problems at once. Its alkaline qualities neutralize damage caused by stains and plaque, while its mild abrasive action removes them from your teeth. Producing acidic components. To manufacture baking soda paste, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix it with a little water to make it into a paste. Concentrating on areas like the front teeth and molars that are prone to discoloration, brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes with this paste. Use this only once or twice a week, as excessive use might erode your tooth enamel. Additionally, remember that baking soda water is not a replacement for toothpaste, so continue with your regular oral hygiene regimen. You can use this once or twice a day to help neutralize acid buildup in your mouth and freshen your breath. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water, swish, and then spit out the rinse. Number 7. It can relieve nasal congestion and sore throats. According to certain research, gargling with a baking soda solution can help relieve sore throats, but the benefits are fleeting and minimal. It's unclear exactly how baking soda might help. Some studies claim it can neutralize acid from bacteria that cause infections or have a mild numbing effect. To use it, just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of table salt in a glass of lukewarm water. Gargle the mixture in your throat for 15 to 30 seconds, and then spit it out. Gargle again every several hours or as needed to relieve mixed nasal congestion. 1 cup of warm, ideally distilled water with 1/4 teaspoon each of baking soda and table salt. This can help clear mucus from your nasal cavity and reduce nasal congestion. However, keep in mind that while these methods may provide temporary relief, they are not a replacement for professional medical care. Use a nasal bulb syringe or a neti pot to irrigate your nasal passages with the solution. Tilt your head to the side and pour the solution into one nostril, allowing it to drain out of the other nostril. Repeat on the other side. See a healthcare provider for an appropriate assessment and direction if your symptoms are severe or if you have underlying medical concerns. Number 8. It could benefit the health of your skin. A tiny amount of baking soda and water can be combined to make a paste. Apply the paste to damp skin in circular motions and thoroughly rinse. Because baking soda is alkaline and has a somewhat abrasive texture, it can help reveal a brighter, clearer complexion by removing dead skin cells. However, just exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to avoid irritating it too much. Making a face mask with baking soda and other skin-friendly products, such as yogurt or honey, is another excellent way to use baking soda for skin health. Apply the concoction to your visage. In addition to helping to prevent acne outbreaks and lessen acne spots that may already be present on your skin, you can use baking soda water to help soothe sunburns. Simply leave the paste on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. To relieve sunburn, fill a bathtub with cold water, add half a cup of baking soda to the water, stir to dissolve, and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After the bath, gently pat your skin dry. Do not rub as this can aggravate the sunburned area. Alternatively, make a paste with baking soda and water, apply it directly to the affected areas, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. But always remember to conduct a patch test to make sure you don't experience any negative side effects, and see a dermatologist before applying any new products or techniques to your skin, particularly if you have sensitive skin or pre-existing skin conditions. They can evaluate your needs and suggest the best course of action for radiant, healthy skin. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the future video. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel in order to support our mission to help you better your health.